Hi guys, welcome back to MarineMax Rogers. My name is Max Kavanaugh, and today I have the pleasure of showing you this beautiful 2023 Harris 250 Crowne. It is an absolutely beautiful boat. Looking at this exterior, you'll see it has the gray with the black accent, a very modern design, nice fiberglass. It looks super sharp. Looking up towards the tower, you have accent lighting up top, with that gray tower with the bimini top as well. Just ties into the boat really well. You have your gas cap fill right here. And as we move around to the back side of the Harris 250, you have this nice extended swim platform. You have some pop-up cleats here to tie your dock line off to. You have the safety railing with the ski tow bar, fender holders right here, which is really nice. This Harris 250 Crowne is powered by the Mercury 400 horsepower 4-stroke engine. A lot of power for this 250 Crowne. You will be very impressed. One thing I'll point out again is the big ski tow bar here. You have the option to tow skiers, tubers, wakeboarders from that. Got a nice tow point on top, keeps the rope above the motor, which is really nice. And that's the exterior. Let's go take a peek at this interior. Inside the beautiful Harris 250 Crowne, you'll see you have this nice aft lounging area. This backrest does move, and actually you can sit so that you're actually facing aft of the boat. When it folds forward this way towards the cockpit, you have 4 stainless steel cup holders up here, another 2 cup holders up here, a few grab handles, which is nice. Really laid out really well with this layout. You have this nice big L-shaped seating here in the cockpit, JL audio speakers all over this entire boat. So plenty of sound, plenty of amenities to make you feel right at home on the water. Looking up at this beautiful tower, again, you have the accent lighting up top, which is really cool. You have the bimini top that's integrated, so that does fold backward and give you lots of nice shade in the cockpit area in the back here. Okay. Looking at the helm here, if you want to move this way, you'll see you have this beautiful captain's chair. You do have armrests too that do fold down as well. Your throttle's off to your right. You have some physical switches to control all of the underwater lights, the accent lighting, very user-friendly, all right there. You have your nice premium 3-spoke steering wheel here. You have your traditional gauges, keeping it nice and simple for the captain. You have a few creature comforts here, from USBs to USB and auxiliary for the audio system. You have the JL audio head unit right here. Easy to connect to, whether that's USB, auxiliary, or Bluetooth, which most people are doing nowadays. Okay. As we move forward here, again, you have the side door that opens up, cup holders, everything is finished off really nicely. On the floor here, you have the 3rd pontoon storage compartment here. So lots of space in there to keep things, which is great. I know when you're on the water, you bring a lot of towels, a lot of life jackets, that sort of thing, and to have space for that is great. Up in the bow, very long seats here. So you're gonna feel like you can have many people and feel very comfortable. As you see, I'm 5'9", plenty of space here to have many more guests up here, and they're gonna feel very comfortable. I don't feel unsafe, very high up, away from the water, so great to have kids up here too. They're gonna have a lot of fun. Up in the front here, 2 more JL speakers pointing towards the cockpit, just to give you all that surround sound type feeling, which is cool. Again, 2 more cup holders up in the bow, so 4 in total, which is great. You have a little gate here too that lifts up. You can fold it in or out, preferably in, so you can slide it down here and walk right out the bow, which is great. So you guys, there's a lot of great features here in this Harris 250 Crowne. It's located at our MarineMax Rogers location. I would encourage anyone and everyone to call in or stop by, and we'd be glad to help you out. Thank you and have a great day.